Decorating your home for Christmas with red and gold can create a festive and elegant atmosphere that really embraces the joy and warmth of the season. These two colors have long been associated with Christmas, and for good reason. Red brings a sense of passion, warmth, and tradition, while gold adds a touch of luxury, elegance, and sparkle that elevates your entire decor. Let's talk about how these colors work together, the benefits of choosing them, and some ideas on how to beautifully integrate them into your holiday decorations. First, let's dive into why red and gold are such iconic Christmas colors. Red is tied to the heart of Christmas. It's bold, it's festive, and it stands out. Think about Santa's suit or the vibrant red berries of a holly branch. It symbolizes love, warmth, and the spirit of giving, which are central themes during the holiday season. Gold, on the other hand, complements red perfectly. It represents luxury, success, and warmth. Gold adds that magical glow, especially when paired with twinkling Christmas lights, making your home feel luxurious yet welcoming. One of the biggest benefits of using red and gold is how versatile these colors are. Whether you're going for a classic look, something more modern, or even a bit of glamour, red and gold can adapt to your style. Plus, they work across all areas of your home, from your living room to the dining table, and even in more unexpected spaces like the kitchen or bathroom. Let's start with your Christmas tree, the focal point of your holiday decor. A red and gold Christmas tree exudes both warmth and elegance. You can start with gold fairy lights to create a soft, warm glow as the backdrop for your decorations. Then, layer in red and gold ornaments, playing with textures and sizes to add dimension. Think about rich red velvet bows, shiny gold baubles, and perhaps a few glittery ornaments to catch the light. For a finishing touch, a gold star or angel as a tree topper really pulls the look together. Another area where red and gold shine is in your living room. A fireplace mantel dressed in garlands is a great way to incorporate these colors. You can weave gold ribbon through the greenery, adding red berries, candles, and ornaments for a balanced yet striking display. If you have stockings, go for plush red ones with gold accents, or vice versa to continue the theme. The combination of these two colors in your living space adds a cozy yet refined feel, making the area both festive and inviting for family gatherings, or even a quiet night by the fire. Your dining table is another perfect place to showcase red and gold. A rich red tablecloth or runner paired with gold chargers and cutlery creates a luxurious dining experience. You can use red napkins tied with gold ribbons or add golden candle holders with red candles to make the table feel cohesive. Don't forget a beautiful centerpiece, perhaps a mix of red flowers and gold accents, like sprayed pine cones or shimmering gold leaves. The beauty of red and gold is that they naturally elevate a table setting, making even a simple meal feel like a grand feast. Let's not forget about smaller decorative touches around your home. One idea is to place red and gold wreaths on doors or windows. A wreath adorned with red berries, gold ornaments, and maybe even a gold bow is an easy but impactful way to extend your theme throughout the house. You could also add red and gold cushions or throws on your sofas and chairs, adding comfort while staying within the festive color palette. If you're looking to extend the decor to the kitchen or bathroom, simple touches like red and gold hand towels or small decorative pieces like candles and soap dispensers can bring the holiday spirit to these spaces as well. In the kitchen, you can even create a festive hot cocoa or coffee station with red mugs, gold trays, and small decorations to tie everything together. Now, let's talk about the advantages of choosing red and gold for your Christmas decorations. Aside from the aesthetic appeal, red and gold are both colors that evoke strong emotional responses. Red is energizing. It brings a sense of excitement and joy that mirrors the holiday spirit. Gold adds warmth and light, which can be especially welcoming during the darker, colder months of winter. Together, they create a balance that is both comforting and luxurious. This combination works well in creating an atmosphere that feels festive and cheerful, but also sophisticated and thought out. Another advantage is that red and gold never go out of style. These colors are timeless, meaning you can reuse many of the same decorations year after year without feeling outdated. They're also easy to match with other traditional holiday colors like green, white, or even more contemporary hues like navy or blush. If you ever want to switch things up in the future, red and gold act as a great base that can be complemented with other colors for a fresh look. To continue building on the red and gold theme, it's important to think about how these colors can be harmonized with the overall feel of your home. Whether your home decor is modern, rustic, or traditional, red and gold can be adapted to fit right in without overwhelming the space. If your style leans towards modern minimalism, you can incorporate red and gold in a more subtle way. For example, rather than filling your home with large decorations, opt for sleek red and gold accents that add pops of color without cluttering the space. Gold geometric candle holders, simple red ornaments, or even a modern art piece featuring these colors can be enough to make your space feel festive while keeping things clean and contemporary. You can use a neutral base such as white or gray to make the red and gold accents pop even more. For those who love a rustic, cozy atmosphere, red and gold can work beautifully as well. You might consider mixing textures like burlap, plaid, and natural greenery with your red and gold pieces. A rustic wreath made of evergreen branches, pine cones, and berries combined with a gold ribbon can add a charming natural touch to your entryway. Similarly, using gold lanterns and red plaid blankets in your living area adds warmth and coziness that complements the festive vibe. When decorating with red and gold, it's also important to think about balance. Red is a bold color, so you don't need to overdo it. You can use red as the dominant color in one area, like the Christmas tree or the dining table, and then balance it out with touches of gold in other areas. For example, if you have a red-themed tree, you might want to add gold to the mantel or the staircase to keep everything feeling harmonious. Speaking of staircases, decorating them with red and gold can truly enhance the holiday ambience. You can drape a garland along the banister and weave in red ribbons and gold ornaments to match the rest of your decor. Adding a few twinkling gold lights will highlight the beauty of the staircase while keeping things festive. If you prefer a more understated look, a simple garland with a few strategically placed gold accents can also look stunning. Another key aspect of using red and gold is the way they catch light, especially at night. Gold reflects the warm glow of Christmas lights, making your home feel more radiant and magical. Whether it's candlelight, fairy lights, or the twinkling lights on your Christmas tree, gold enhances that beautiful, cozy ambience. Red, on the other hand, adds richness and depth to the overall look. Together, they create an atmosphere that's perfect for those cozy winter evenings spent with family and friends. If you want to take it a step further, think about incorporating metallic gold finishes into other parts of your home decor. Gold mirrors, picture frames, or even a metallic centerpiece for your dining table can tie the entire look together. These small touches add an extra layer of sophistication without being too over the top. As for red, it's not just limited to traditional decor. You can play around with different shades of red to add variety. Deep burgundy, for example, adds a more elegant, subdued tone, while a brighter red brings energy and fun to the space. Depending on your personal taste, you can adjust the shades of red and gold to match your vision. Finally, red and gold can be practical too. Gold reflects light beautifully, especially from candles or string lights, so it can help brighten up your space, making it feel cozy and inviting. Red, being a dominant color, naturally draws attention, so you can use it sparingly to highlight key areas or go bold to create a more festive feel. In summary, decorating your home for Christmas with red and gold brings together tradition and luxury in a way that feels timeless yet personal. From the tree to the table, these colors work together to create a cohesive, warm, and festive atmosphere. Whether you lean more toward classic decor or want to mix in a bit of modern glamour, red and gold are a perfect duo that will bring out the best in your Christmas decorations. Not only do they look stunning together, but they also evoke the joy, warmth, and luxury that the holiday season is all about. So if you're looking to create a memorable, beautiful Christmas setting this year, red and gold are the perfect choice.